Barbecue 101, and we are in Smithfield Barbecue in Mebane, North Carolina. And we have ordered our meal, and it's getting ready to come out. Julie got chicken tenders and barbecue, and I got the fried chicken and barbecue. So we are expecting it to come any minute now, and just stay tuned. Okay, so here's the food, and these are chicken tenders that Julie got. Those things are huge. That looks great. This is my plate. As you can see, got fried chicken, barbecue, hush puppies, potato salad, and coleslaw. And we're going to come back and we'll show you how good this actually tastes in just a minute. Remember to share and subscribe on our YouTube channel, please. So right down below, share and subscribe. So here's the food. I love the slaw and the potato salad. Potato salad is great. My favorite. It's got eggs in the potato salad, and then their barbecue. This is what they're famous for. It's a vinegar base. It's a twangy vinegar based sauce. It's very good. If you've never been to Smithfield, you need to try this out. Their food is really good. It's good barbecue. Here's the chicken. And I love thighs. There's some real good bark on this chicken, and it doesn't disappoint. It's very, very good. It's hot, flavorful. It tastes really good. I really want to put this on a sandwich and eat it. It's that good, a piece of chicken. It's really good. Good bark on that chicken. Really good. Well cooked, done. I don't know. I can't complain. It's a really good meal. So if you're on the road and you're traveling and you want to get something really good to eat, you need to try Smithfield Barbecue. They're everywhere. We just happened to be coming through Mebane on the way back home now, and we thought we'd give us a shot. But we want to thank y'all for watching Barbecue 101. See y'all.